Okay, here we go. Our first feature is Cynthia Sharp. She's been published and broadcast internationally and will be reading from her debut poetry book, Rainforest and Russet, Silverbow Publishing, 2018. Her work can be found in many literary journals such as CV2, Untethered, Toasted Cheese, Lantern Magazine, Dual Coast Magazine, Three Line Poetry, Haiku Journal, and 50 Haikus, among others, and has received honorable mentions in the 2017 Cecilia Lamert Poetry Contest and third place in the Royal City Literary Arts Poetry Contest in 2015. She is delighted to be part of the vibrant literary scene in New West and the greater Vancouver region. Please, let's give a warm welcome to Cynthia Sharp.
So thanks so much everyone for coming. And my first poem in this book was co-written with Jude Neal, and she thought I should name the book after it. So it's called Rainforest and Russet. In the silence between breaths, my truth rises. I fall into the space where the forest captures light. Is this the question or the answer? To trust this journey of closure. A new opening repertoire. I dig for you in shadows of dying gray matter to find a slip, a morsel of foggy memory. How we set up your chessboard the night we met. Photograph the pieces in their complicity to be art. The queens, their own fashion statements, balanced in the spotlight. Horses rode across the checkered landscape, free of battle scars or fear. Configurations came and went. We both knew the game transcended competition. Our strategy, a decades-long tango of connection. We played until slivers of dawn shone on an empty stage. Now at the threshold of rainforest in russet, ash into earth, to whatever is or isn't, I am released.